This is from the Mandela Foundation. I like these, man. They're very nice, very nice quality as well. So big up to them.
Fans shaking me like Bobby, wake up. Chip on my shoulder, I was holding a grudge. I wanted to be loved more than I wanted to love, but hey.
And they're not paying me for this. Yeah, man. I think as abantu, it's very important ukuthi so understand ukuthi yonke into eyenzakalayo yenza kanjani iphuma kuphi. It's very important. So which is why ngithanda ukuspend isikhathi and ngenze nama video la ngiwenzayo and just try ukuthi ngibonise abantu bakithi especially because I think asikhulanga ngale ndlela ezinye izinto bezingayibona nje. Anyways, I think we didn't have the time to think really. We came from the rulership of kings and queens and umuntu bengayilutho then umuntu bephethe bekuyinkosi the hierarchy which is namanje futhi sasenayo. So then it was just the royalty, those surnames, and then it happened like that and umuntu bengayilutho umuntu befa and that's it. So this is history and this is in our DNA. This is where we came from. And to think ukuthi manje si free and because asiko under that rulership, I guess, because we don't see it. But the truth is still namanje umuntu akekho free. As a human being, you're not free. System esiphila kuyo yokufunda, yokusebenza, yokulendo le yokuthenga umuzi, this physical life that we are living here, this system, like I said, we came from that system of a rulership when there was a king, there was a queen, there was a chief, and abantu bebengasilutho. So that was the system then. So now the system esebenza njengamanje, imali system esebenza njengamanje, and to be that king, that queen, or to be that chief, you have to have this thing about the busy mind, that power.
Not afraid. I will not comply. I will not obey. See, the plan is to depopulate.